Was trying to live stream this position I'm in on the Tesla over here, but my live stream isn't working correctly. I need to show this to you guys because I remember this morning I showed you guys we were at 242. I don't know how many people are actually going to have seen all three of these videos, but we were at 242. We got in at 244.89, right about here. We're riding this thing with a goal of reaching 254, about 4%, $9.91, about a $10 move, but we will jet out of here if we start to see it dip back here, taking a $5 profit. So we'll take a $5 profit on our options right here, but planning on trying to reach the whole 10%. I wish that I was able to live stream this thing first thing in the morning for you guys, because I made it YouTube video by video for you guys. I think I'm going to start doing a live stream for you guys when I'm doing trades like this, because I taught you guys basically the whole way. I said it's going to bounce off of this, it's going to bounce back here, but this can act as support, and if this acts as support, then it's going to fiddle around and it's going to try to go bullish. And now it's finally broken out of this zone. It's broken out of this line, and this zone that we were talking about this morning, and now we're basically free riding all the way to the 254s. That is why I'm in. That's why I didn't sell. People would be like, sell, 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 but look at where's the resistance now. Where is the resistance, guys? Because the only resistance I see is this right here, whatever the hell this one is. 253.09 is the next one, and then you've got 254, which is the one that we are aiming for today, that $10 move going up. So definitely ride with me on this, guys. Subscribe to the channel, because I need you guys to have the opportunity to get into stuff like this. You guys need to be able to buy in to look at this thing go. Like, look at it's green again. I feel terrible that I couldn't bring you guys with me. I know it's not financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor, but us on here that have been doing this for years and years would love to share this with people like you that could use this opportunity. Look at, we're still pushing, little rejection right there. I also have Bookmap. I should pull up Bookmap for you guys when I do the live stream, because then you guys can actually see where the buys and sells are on the board, where all the liquidity is, which is basically controlling everything. Like, all these bars are controlled by liquidity going up or down. But yeah, guys, subscribe to the channel and smash that like button, because I want you guys in on moves like this with me, because I'm riding. This is like an $8 move so far, and we're almost there. And I don't even have to take it all the way to the 254. The 254 is the next pivot point resistance, but I don't have these other lines drawn in. Like, let me show you before I let you guys go, because I will make sure that this video is short. Don't you guys worry about that. Now, I was showing you guys how the support and resistance work. Check this out. Check this one out. Look at this. Look at this. Boom, right there. Now check that out. Look at what we're looking at right now. See how this touched everywhere here? You could also say that it touched a lot right here too. It's one giant box of touch. And so once it reaches that, which you could say that it has reached it. You could say that it just reached it in front of us, or almost reached it, that big box of touch, touch, touch. And now it's using this box, our previous box, as support. So if it holds this, if it holds all this as support right here, then this is going to be our next touch, and it's going to fiddle around in this zone just like it fiddled around. See how it fiddled around in this zone? It'll fiddle around in this zone just like it did here, fiddled around, and then see right here where the touch is, 254 right up at the top right here, and there's our 253. Our 253 is all these touches right here. So this is where my actual targets come from, 253, 254. Now remember, we're going to want to see this hold. See this pivot point right here? We're going to want to see this pivot hold, and we're going to want to see my zone hold. If neither of these hold, if this thing's going to push back toward these previous lines, then we're going to want to get out of the trade. If it reaches these lines again, see? And I'm okay with giving back these gains from 251 down to 249, $2 worth of gains that I gave up for a possible extra $3 move there. And some would say, yeah, you'd want to get out there, but then there's those times where the stock could rally another $5, $10, $20 after you sold. And if you get in the habit of hurry up and selling every time, like, let me get out of the trade because you can't handle the heat and you want to just take your profits, if you do that, you're always going to miss out on those $5, $10, $20 moves. See what I'm saying, guys? So you have to have the nerves of steel, as you can see right there. The thing that is very bullish. See that? It fought through the pivot point right there, green, and then it shot back up, and it shot all the way up here. Now this is bearish right here, shooting down, but bullish again because it fought back up. And so if it fights back up, you guys already know what's going to happen next. It's a wrap, and this is what I'm teaching you guys. I want you guys to actually see what's happening with the stock so you guys can get a better idea of what it's going to do yourselves, so you guys can get in at the 244 and ride this thing to the 254 all the way up. $10 move, 4% on the Tesla stock. And if you guys don't know, if you guys were to trade that on very short term, like if you guys were to trade that same week, like this Friday stock options, that'd have been like at least a 100% move. Like you'd have doubled your money or more, meaning you could have tripled your money. There's been times that I've done it, that I've tripled my money on stock options on Tesla in one day. So, and looks like we're struggling here a little bit. But this isn't the point. It's not the point to show you guys what I'm doing. By the way, this is your support that you're sitting at right now. All these lines right here, all these touches right here is the support that we're resting at right now before this thing decides if it wants to continue to go. But what are we looking at? 6 minutes we're at right now. I'm gonna let you guys go in a minute here. I don't want to let you guys on here too long because I don't need you guys to get tired of listening to me talk. I just need you guys to see what a clear uptrend looks like, because this right here was like a clear as day move to make money. You guys could have made mad money with this. Where's our VWAP? There's our VWAP. Shot down. We were touching. Once we got above this VWAP right here, it was basically all said and done right there. You think we're way above this VWAP now. Before we were below the VWAP, we were bearish. If we're below the VWAP, we're bearish. If we're above the VWAP, then we're bullish. So that's what we're looking at right now. Look at green. He's still fighting up there. But yeah, I'll let you guys go. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, because I want you guys to have the opportunity to get in on trades like this, Tesla trades, Neo trades, and I also do futures trading with a prop firm. Trade the ES and sometimes the NASDAQ. So stick with me, guys. Love to be part of your journey. Love you guys. Take care.